Unlock the power of avocados, your ultimate health boost. Speaking of heart health, research shows that eating avocados can lower bad cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Imagine enjoying a tasty guacamole while doing something good for your heart. Now, if you're looking to manage your weight, avocados can be your best friend. Their high fiber content helps you feel full longer, making it easier to resist those unhealthy snacks. You can enjoy them in salads, on toast, or even in smoothies. Let's not forget about antioxidants. Avocados are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, which are fantastic for eye health. These antioxidants help protect your eyes from harmful light and reduce the risk of age-related vision problems. And it doesn't stop there. The nutrients in avocados can work wonders for your skin and hair. They're known for their moisturizing properties and can even help combat signs of aging. Who wouldn't want that glow? Now, you might be wondering how to incorporate avocados into your meals. The options are endless. From classic guacamole to avocado toast, salads, and even desserts, there's a tasty way to enjoy this fruit every day. Before we wrap up, let's bust a common myth. Many people think avocados are too high in calories. While they do contain calories, the healthy fats and nutrients they offer make them worth it. Moderation is key. So, there you have it. Avocados are not just a tasty treat, they're a powerhouse of nutrition. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. What's your favorite way to enjoy avocados? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.